Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take copper out of wire. First, gather your essential tools, including wire strippers, a utility knife, and sturdy safety gloves. Next, ensure your workspace is well lit and completely clear of any obstructions. This preparation is crucial for both efficiency and safety. Remember, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, like eye protection and gloves, is paramount to prevent any potential injuries during the process. Let's get started. For smaller gauge wires, a dedicated wire stripper is your best friend. Simply insert the wire, squeeze, and pull to cleanly remove the insulation. When dealing with thicker cables, you'll need to carefully score the outer insulation with a utility knife. Remember to apply light pressure, just enough to cut through the outer layer without nicking the copper. This precision helps maintain the copper's value and prevents unnecessary damage. Always work slowly and deliberately. If you're working with a large volume of wire, investing in a specialized wire stripping machine can significantly boost your efficiency. These machines automate the process, saving you considerable time and effort. Another technique involves using heat to soften the insulation, which can make it easier to peel away. However, exercise extreme caution with heat methods to prevent melting the insulation directly onto the copper, which can reduce its quality. Safety first, always. To maximize your return, always separate different types of copper wire before recycling. Clean, bare, bright copper commands the highest prices, so removing all insulation is key. Even small amounts of insulation can significantly reduce the value. Remember, the cleaner the copper, the more money you'll receive. Also, for an effortless way to keep your workspace tidy, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot and other great deals in the description below. Happy recycling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.